Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for the most fun, honest, and helpful product reviews. Today, we're talking about the best Crayola Magic Touch product out there, the Crayola Color Wonder Magic Light Brush. If you've got little ones at home who love to paint but you dread the mess, this might just be your parenting game changer. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, you get the Magic Light Brush unit itself, 6 Color Wonder paint pods, and 18 blank Color Wonder paper sheets. It's bright, it's colorful, and everything looks totally kid-ready. But the real magic begins when you turn it on. As soon as your child dips the brush into one of the paint colors, the brush lights up to match that color. That's right, the brush itself glows with the color your child just picked. It's fun, it's surprising, and it definitely keeps kids engaged. Plus, for us parents, it's a dream come true because the Color Wonder paints are completely mess-free. The paints are clear until they touch the special Color Wonder paper, which means they won't stain furniture, walls, clothes, or even skin. This is perfect for toddlers and preschoolers who love to explore but haven't quite mastered neat and tidy. Now let's talk about what it's like to actually use. The brush is chunky and easy to grip, designed perfectly for little hands. It's also lightweight, so kids as young as 3 can handle it comfortably. The brush automatically lights up when dipped into the paint pod, helping children recognize colors and encouraging creativity without the mess. This isn't just a toy, it's a genuinely great activity tool. Teachers love it in preschool classrooms because it helps build fine motor skills, supports color recognition, and lets kids express themselves freely, all without extra cleanup. Plus, the fact that the paints don't dry out makes this a solid investment in creative play. Safety-wise, parents can relax. Everything in the set is safe and non-toxic, so it's perfect for kids ages 3 and up. It also makes an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because, especially if you're shopping for something both fun and practical. There are even bundle options with scented stampers and extra coloring pages if you want to build out the whole Color Wonder experience. Of course, you'll eventually need to buy refills for the paper and paint, but honestly, once you see how much cleaner your walls and furniture stay, you probably won't mind. So if you're tired of constantly scrubbing paint off every surface in your home, the Crayola Color Wonder Magic Light Brush is the perfect solution. It delivers all the joy of painting with none of the hassle, and that's what makes it the best Crayola Magic Touch product in our book. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and tell us in the comments what mess-free magic you want us to test next. See you next time.